They've played 15 matches and they've collected 30 points. So Orlando Pirates entered this match with a massive momentum after beating Magesi Football Club 2-0 last Saturday. A result that pulled them level with Mamelodi Sundowns. AmaZulu are the form team of the second half of the season, having won 4 of their last 5 matches. Remarkable indeed. So when you look at the team news and January 2026 transfers, both teams have been active in the recently closed transfer window to bolster their squads for the final push. Orlando Pirates signings. The Buccaneers have successfully integrated New Zealander Andre de Jong from Stellenbosch